CAV-GRIP is a multi-purpose contact adhesive used to enhance the bond of CCW self-adhering sheet products and for bonding mirror drain and board insulation to various substrates. In this video, you'll learn the proper CAV-GRIP setup technique, installation, shutdown, and storage. Here's what you'll need: a cylinder of CAV-GRIP, one CAV-GRIP hose, one CAV-GRIP gun, one cylinder of untack adhesive remover and cleaner, scrap cardboard or similar material measuring 3 foot by 3 foot or larger, an adjustable wrench. If that is not available, you will need a 9/16 inch wrench, a 3/8 inch wrench, a 3/4 inch wrench. First, remove the plastic cap from the CAV-GRIP cylinder. Then, using the 9/16 wrench, attach the CAV-GRIP hose. Next, use the 3/8 inch wrench to tighten the packing nut on the CAV-GRIP gun. Then disengage the safety. Attach the hose to the gun with the 3/4 inch wrench. Before spraying CAV-GRIP on a substrate, test your spray fan pattern. For your convenience, the CAV-GRIP gun has a wheel designed to adjust the spray fan pattern. Test the spray fan pattern on your designated test surface. Holding the nozzle 6 to 8 inches away from the test surface, spray the CAV-GRIP. If it sprays too thick or runs, the spray fan is too narrow. If it doesn't cover the test surface, the spray fan is too wide. Use the wheel on the gun to make adjustments. Once your spray fan pattern is adjusted correctly, you're ready to apply the CAV-GRIP to the substrate. Again, holding the nozzle 6 to 8 inches away from the substrate, spray the CAV-GRIP evenly, keeping a steady pace. Make sure to overlap each pass by 50%. When spraying around a window, adjust the spray fan and your distance from the substrate as required to achieve proper coverage. CAV-GRIP drying times will vary depending on environmental conditions, but you can use the knuckle test to know when the CAV-GRIP adhesive is ready. Press your knuckle against the substrate. If the CAV-GRIP transfers to your knuckle and pulls away from the surface, it's still too wet. Wait a little longer until the CAV-GRIP no longer transfers to your knuckle. When you are finished using the CAV-GRIP spray gun, close the CAV-GRIP cylinder. Purge the remaining CAV-GRIP adhesive material from the hose into an empty bucket. When finished, remove the hose from the CAV-GRIP cylinder using a 9/16 inch or adjustable wrench. Next, remove the cap from the cylinder of untack and attach the hose using the same wrench. Then, open the valve on the cylinder. Spray the untack through the hose into an empty bucket. When the material runs clear, the hose is clean. Close the valve on the untack cylinder. Then, depressurize the gun. Then, disconnect the hose from the cylinder. Finally, ensure the CAV-GRIP cylinder valve is closed, and then reconnect the hose to the cylinder. Coil the hose with the cylinder and store safely. Follow all local and regional regulations for disposal of solvents and the CAV-GRIP cylinders.